Who is behind Healthy Turkey? Who are these people who are confident that they are taking medical tourism in Turkey to a new level? And what are their beliefs based on? In this video, we will show the founders of the company that is changing the perception of the service for foreigners traveling to Turkey for treatment. And today you can ask them questions in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and meet the owners and top managers of Healthy Turkey. The company Healthy Turkey was founded by 5 people in Antalya, Turkey. Each of them is a specialist in their field with extensive experience. Together, they are the founding partners of Healthy Turkey. Everyone speaks with great pleasure about the principles and bright prospects of the company and about their personal responsibility in it. I can confidently say that Turkish doctors receive very high-quality education. Our goal is to provide comprehensive support to every patient planning to come to Turkey. Do everything for the client as you would do for yourself. That's how we're used to working and living. Make sure that the services are provided by a legal company with all the necessary licenses in place.
We believe the future of this business. We believe too it's going to be success. No way out. My name is Yıldırım, Özden. I'm the person who is dreaming and who started this business and who thinks 10 years for this business. In last 31 years, I'm in the tourism business. So always I'm dealing with the foreign people. And I have this question hundreds of times about healthy system of Turkey. More I search, more I like the health system in Turkey. Health system of tourism is growing day by day. So then we start to think why we are not having the health tourism business in Turkey. But it's not that easy because in this business, if you want to do it, you need the doctors as a partners. You need a homepage specialist as a partners. You need professional people in the tourism like me. I study as a professional tourist guide. I build a travel agent. So you need to help the transfer of the people. You need to make a reservation for them in the hotel. And the most important, you have to have a translator with them all the time. From the first day starting they're arriving in Turkey until the last day they're going back to the home. This is the point of the Healthy Turkiye because nobody giving this service in Turkey. We have no company who is giving from 0 to 100 service to the foreign people. And after I search in the home pages, day by day, month by month, I find no any competition to Healthy Turkey. And now, we believe the future of this business. Why? Because there is no competitions. Why the good quality of health in Turkey? Why the good quality of hospitals in Turkey? And the most important, Turkish doctors. Turkey is in the middle of 3 continental. Very good geography. In the middle of 3 continental. So when the people comes to here, within 4 and 5 hours, they can reach to Turkey. Another important things, the quality together with the price value. Very good price in Turkey. I know it very well. It's minimum 3-5 times less than Europe, 4 to 6 times less than United States. I know from my guests. Because when they're coming to the teeth, for implant of teeth, in Ireland, in UK, it's cost about 2.5-3,000 euro per each. In Turkey, it costs maximum 700 to 800 euros. 4 times less. So 4 times less in the prices and 5-6 times less in the United States. With all this, with such a special team, of course, we are going to succeed in this business. No way out.
When creating Healthy Turkey, we relied on our experience and also observed the experience of other companies. We have observed the outcomes of other companies that are involved in unlicensed and illegal practices. Unlike them, we decided to obtain all the necessary licenses and rely on the extensive experience of the founders. Ultimately, each and every one of us is a professional in our respective field. Moreover, one of the most significant aspects for us is to provide each individual patient with comprehensive support in their native language and a precise understanding of their unique problems and specific requests. I especially want to highlight an important advantage, providing services to our patients at the best price and the best quality of treatment. With no additional charges or expenses, you can acquire all the required items through Healthy Turkey. This is an almost infinite list of services, encompassing everything from round-trip plane tickets to accommodation, and you can be confident that the services are provided by a legal company with all the necessary licenses, such as the TURSAB tour operator license and a special permit to serve medical tourists from the Turkish government. Rest assured that you will have access to a wide range of services for your needs. In addition, from the very beginning, from the moment of arrival in our country, you will receive service with the involvement of the best specialists, from meeting at the airport and transfer to taking care of your accommodation and meals, and much more. The founders of Healthy Turkey have been in business for many years. Together and individually, they founded companies in the tourism, real estate, and private clinic sectors. Now they have combined not only knowledge, experience, and capital, but also business reputation, which has become one of the most vital and indispensable building blocks in the Healthy Turkey project.
For years, we've been managing hotels in Turkey, and we know exactly how to organize comfortable accommodation for our guests and patients. With 20 years of experience, we have established a strong reputation in tourism and real estate. Our agency is widely recognized as a market leader. Thousands of our clients know how carefully we approach service provision and how meticulously we take care of everything, not only in the chosen field of work, but also in related areas. It is they, our clients and their relatives, who often turn to us for help in treatment in Turkey. Often we were with them during the most difficult operations, such as heart valve replacement, heart bypass surgery, childbirth, or successful cancer treatment. Therefore, we are once again convinced that numerous individuals are in need of professional medical support and assistance in Turkey, and they are truly appreciative and content with the outcome of the treatment they receive. Therefore, we have been working for over 2 years to open the direction of medical tourism, transferring all our knowledge and business principles to this field. The approach to work is the same: honest, conscientious, and professional. Do for the client as you would do for yourself. That's how we're used to working and living. For us, customer satisfaction is the most important criterion, and we want them to always feel at home in Turkey.
One of the most important differences of Healthy Turkey is that many positions, from bottom to top, are filled by employees with medical education. Even if they exclusively handle applications or organize trips, they definitely have a clear understanding of what patients need, and at the same time they know the features and advantages of the Turkish healthcare system. Doctors in Turkey undergo very thorough training. We have doctors with 6 years of basic medical education. After that, they need to study for another 4 or 5 years for specialization. This is a very long and thorny path, and I can confidently say that Turkish doctors receive a very high-quality education, and then they constantly improve. Doctors are under close scrutiny. The healthcare system in Turkey is still in the process of digitizing. An excellent example of this is the E-nabiz, which is the state medical database. All data of patients who visit doctors is uploaded into this system. What is the significance of this data upload? When you come to the hospital, no matter where it is, no matter which doctor, the doctor immediately sees all the information about past and chronic diseases, about the treatment received, about the medications taken. These digital data are under the control of the state and are not transferred to third parties. The presence of such a patient database allows us, doctors, to provide fast diagnosis and treatment. In Turkey, the public and private sectors in medicine are developing together. A good example is the construction of city hospitals. These are such enormous hospitals that also cater to international patients. Currently, there are no hospitals in the world of such massive size as Turkish city hospitals. Our healthcare system operates in accordance with the standards of the European Union and at the same level as European countries. Even hospitals at the regular level make use of the highest quality equipment available in their facilities. In Turkey, the use of medicines and equipment that do not meet European standards is strictly prohibited and not permitted under any circumstances. We provide detailed information about all of this to our patients and clients. At Healthy Turkey, we have created a powerful information system with a modern website, social media, and an efficient call center. This comprehensive structure serves our purpose, to provide the most complete and up-to-date information to patients who wish to come to Turkey. We are constantly improving our content and information services to answer all the questions of people planning treatment in Turkey. We have created informational materials about all the processes of examination, treatment and rehabilitation, as well as about all the related issues of medical tourism in Turkey, which may arise before, during and after the trip. Thanks to our materials, patients are able to make informed decisions regarding the treatment process and feel secure at every stage. Our primary goal is to provide comprehensive support to every patient who is planning to come to Turkey. Our ultimate objective is for every individual who is considering treatment in Turkey to choose us as their most reliable and credible source of information and guidance. These individuals are confident the service should be exactly like this, from A to Z with no extra charges. Thus, the goal they are discussing is to enhance medical tourism in Turkey and show that clients can be served even better. This goal now seems quite achievable. What exactly does Healthy Turkiye do? How does this company work with clients? You can see in the video at this link. You can contact Healthy Turkiye Company by this phone number and through the chat on the website. By the way, evaluate how extensive the information is collected on this site. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch other videos about medical tourism in Turkey.